Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on light mode on OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who don't like the way their OfferUp looks like. Maybe it looks too dark. How do you actually go ahead and set up light mode? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's hop into our OfferUp app. And then next, you're going to click on the right-hand side, your profile image. Next, you're going to scroll down to where it says Account Settings. And then under Account Settings, if you scroll down even more, you're going to see your color theme. So you can set it to device settings or light mode or dark mode. So if I click on dark mode, you'll see that the different theme of OfferUp tends to change. And then if I click on light mode, you'll see that it's now a white basis. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up light mode on your OfferUp account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.